Another Amazon product unboxing. Today we are checking out the Feyachi green laser for pistol, shotgun, handgun. All right, this runs about $39.99 on Amazon, and it's 20 bucks off right now. So it was normally $59.99. So it's got this cool little Feyachi focus, like tassel keychain looking thing. First we have in the little box tucked in there, they got the batteries and the sight, a little Allen key. All right, here is the laser. It's rather small. And it comes with 4 small batteries. So it's kind of nice little casing. It's all wrapped up in foam here. Let's fire this thing up, shall we? Okay, so this has just a couple parts. The battery compartment is right here, and this is your Picatinny / weaver / accessory rail attachment right here. I think we'll be putting that on our Glock looking handgun soon. Okay, in order to put the batteries in here, just slide this backwards like that. Should kind of pop up. So there we go, pops up. So negative is down. So that is, so the closest one right here, the other one is going to be positive. So that means the negative side is down, which is the, not the flatter side, the one with the rounder stuff in it. So it's going to be facing down. It's kind of a smaller area here, so that's got to face down. If I can get it in there, come on. Come on. It has to be like a little, kind of a perfect fit there. Oh, come on here. Really? Got a little sideways, so it's just got to drop in there. And I got it in sideways. Good night. Try to reset that one. Okay. Okay, let's try it again here. Flat side down. Golly, man. I'm having a real struggle here. Me. These batteries are so small. I can't really see that great. Any of this helmet on sometimes blocks my view a little bit. Okay, so get it. If it goes in an angle like that, that's what I was having the trouble with. Just try to slide it in straight, and then it'll go in there. Okay, close your thing. Just push that down. Check our laser here. Okay, cool. It's working. Grab your handgun-looking replica here. And this part just slides on. This is the accessory rail on the handgun. Okay, and that should just slide on there. If you have a real handgun, make sure that there is nothing in the chamber and everything is empty. Everything's open up, and make sure it is not loaded. Okay. So this can just slide right on here. Just make sure your screw is loosened up here, and this will go right on the accessory rail of your device. Okay. And it has a little notch right here, and that's where the screw part, this screw goes into that. So you want it as close to the trigger guard as possible without kind of interfering. So that just kind of holds on there, and then you can manually tighten this up here with your hand. And that should get it rather centered on that rail. So you can take your hand, tighten it, and then you can take a screwdriver and tighten it there. Okay, so you can test how it is with the laser. Look down your sights to where it should be aiming, and you can put, so if I'm aiming right at you, then the laser should be right about there too. So I guess with this, it's distance-wise, it varies, so you have to kind of sight it in for the distance that you want. So if you're playing, not laser tag, what's the one? Paintball, or what's the other one with the airsoft? Something like this. Sight your airsoft in for about medium what you want, and then you can put this bad boy on there and adjust it to how you want. Okay, so adjustments will cover that. So you have this Allen key, if I could pick it up, and on the front of this, it has 4 little Allen keys. There's 2 in the lower, or there's 1 lower left, 1 upper left, 1 upper right, and to go, say, this way to the left on the sides, and tighten these ones on the opposite sides, and that would push it that way. Same thing if you want it to go up. Your screws on the bottom part here, and then tighten the ones on the top, and that'll push it up that way. So you just kind of gotta go around a little bit and get those squared away. It's a little confusing at first, but it's easy to do. I just loosen them all up, and then you can just kind of tighten them up as you go or whatever like that. So there you have it. And then it's ambidextrous, so I can hit this to turn the laser on. It's this little button right here, so it's pretty cool, and it's just right here on the front right there. So just tap your button. Right there, boom, your laser's on, boom, it's off, and it's ambidextrous. So you got your other hand, you can just turn on the gun on the laser and turn it off. Okay, so yeah, so if you're doing like airsoft or something like that, sometimes you don't have time to get your sights up, put a laser on it, and hit where you want it to. So you could take it out to your range or whatever. Find out where you're comfortable, where most of your tactical battles occur in like your airsoft or whatever, and then you can bring that up. And sometimes it's nice. It's a nice bright laser here. Let's point it. You guys can see that on the wall there, and you might be able to see. So this is sighted in for. I'll try to. Oh, I can't really get a sight alignment picture here, but you kind of see where that's pointing and where the laser's at there. Let's see if we can't. Can we do that or not? I don't know. It's kind of got it at an angle. All right, so where's my laser at? It's so hard like looking in this because it's opposite. But you can see like the laser's kind of there, right there. Oh, because I'm looking the opposite direction here. Okay, and it's pretty dialed in right now for about, I'd say 20 feet or so. So you can see how it was right over the top there. Yeah, it was pretty easy just to put on there. Came with 2 sets of batteries. It's supposed to last a while. The adjustments were pretty easy. Went right on the accessory rail, and it's supposed to fit like all the other rails, like I said. So this one runs about $60 on Amazon, $20 off right now, so $39.99. Pretty cool. Fits nicely on this. And should we go do a night sight? Yeah, let's go take this out and check it out in the night here. Okay guys, so this is out in the night here. I'm just going to try to line it up here so we can see what we're talking about with the sight picture here. So we're pretty much looking right down the thing here, and it's a little bit higher than the sight, but that can be sighted in. So that's kind of what you want looking for. You want it right through the side there, but you can see it goes out pretty nice. And I'm looking kind of over the top here. If you're looking down the sights there, it's kind of where you want it, right about there. But anyways, you can reach out and definitely point this thing around there. It looks pretty cool. So you can see it out there and how far it reaches, but yeah, like a nice little dot, pretty far away, guys. So let's see. So yeah. The tree way out there. How about these trees way over here? All right, I can't see it in the trees way over there. Oh yeah, we can. So it reaches pretty far. All right, so that's pretty neat. Okay, guys, so final green laser dot sight. You can see the laser goes out there really good, nice and far. It's super easy to put on there. It just takes a little bit of finagling, probably like getting the batteries in there for me. I don't know. Yeah, just if you get it in sideways, it's just because it's a nice little round spot for it to fit in there. Then it was you have to take it out and do it or. If you're not, it's a little easier to do. So make sure that if you are going to use a laser sight, that it can fit that in there. But pretty cool laser sight here, guys. Like I said, pick this up off of Amazon for $40 right now. I'll leave a link in the description below. I am an Amazon associate, so if you guys buy stuff from my links, it helps out the channel. I appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. And oh, what else? I was going to say something, but I forgot. So just have a great day, and we'll see you guys next time.